My name is Daniel Sanford, and I am a mechanical engineering student at UNC Charlotte. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to set up the particle argon device, which I have right here. See if I can get it open real quick. Alright, so here's the unboxing. And I'll skip ahead real quick so we can get to the good stuff. Alright, so I have the Argon connected to a power source, which in this case is my laptop. So you can see the lights blinking. So I am on the particle app on my phone. And we are going to scan this sticker, which is right here, but I need 2 hands for it. So give me 1 second. Okay, so next it wants us to attach the Wi-Fi antenna. I had to kind of work with it for a bit. I didn't want to be too forceful, but it's on there now. So next step. Oh, let me check that. Now next step. Alright, we're paired up. So now I'm updating the device. I guess it needs to do that before we do anything. It's going crazy over here. No, I'm just kidding. This is what it's supposed to do, I hope. Alright, so I just finished the update and we're ready to go. I pretty much followed the prompts on the particle site, so I didn't feel like that was needed to be showed. But I gave my Argon a name and connected it to my local Wi-Fi. So we're going to click on it. I don't know how well you can see this, but we're going to hit Tinker on this upper menu here. Here's the pin pad layout, and we're supposed to toggle the D7 blue LED on and off with the Tinker. So we have D7 right there, and we are going to flash it on with digital right. Click that and low comes on. So we're going to tap it, and there we go. Tap it off, tap it on. So right here, low, high. There we go, we have flashing blue LED lights on D7. Particle argon device set up. Thank you for watching.